Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Wanted to take this chance to talk to everybody um, and say how much I appreciate everybody for watching and subscribing. This year has been amazing. I have enjoyed every single minute of it. Riding all these different bikes and sharing it with everybody and chatting with people in the comments and people sending me messages and I I can't explain how much I enjoy doing this. And I wanted to tell everybody thank you. Um, been working really hard to try to do all these different things and learn how to do this YouTube thing and how to build a website, and which I completely blew up last night by mistake. So I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you as we reach the end of the riding season in 2023. I'm going to get a lot more videos though, because it's taken me forever to learn how to edit properly. But like I said, you guys have all meant the world, and it has been so enjoyable. And I just wanted to say thank you. Like everything else, I do everything live. I speak live. I share my thoughts live. And sometimes language may be inappropriate, but it's just who I am. And everybody, thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing the time with me. Everybody, stay safe. And now, I'm going to shoot this bike.